Hi everyone. I hope that you had a great weekend. I hope you got to enjoy the sun. I know I definitely got a sunburn, so I hope that everybody got to get outside and enjoy that change. I just wanted to quickly explain the meetings that we're going to have this week with the book. First of all, just a reminder of how to join the meet. So again, just at the time that is for your group, you're going to go to our class webpage and click on the stream, and then you're going to just click this meet link or the picture. And when you click it, it will open a new tab on your computer or phone, and then it takes a minute to get ready, and then you just click join now, and that's all you have to do, and you are in the meet. Once we're in there, you can use these to control your microphone or your video. So we're in smaller groups, your microphone should be okay, but if you want to turn it off because there's loud background noise or your dog is barking or something, you can do that. So what the meetings will actually look like. So here's the schedule. So for this week, we'll have Tuesday at 12 noon and 2 o'clock, the groups for the outsiders. So it just means that at noon, this group, Karanbir, Dongmin, Sanjita, and Arlette, are going to sign on to that Google Meet at 12 o'clock. I've included a schedule here because a few of you had asked about that. So we'll only meet for about 50 minutes because I know that some of you have other classes, so I want to keep it fairly short. So first we'll do a check-in, about 10 minutes, which we haven't seen each other, we haven't talked, so we'll just check in and see how everyone's doing. After that, we will read the chapter, and then we'll go over the vocab and questions. So just as a reminder, you're going to come up with 2 vocabulary words, so you're just going to tell us what those words are, and then you're going to tell us the definition that you learned. Don't just read a definition off of a screen, actually really learn what the words mean. And then we'll just do a wrap-up. And just because it's the first meeting, I want to ask you about your other classes and how they're doing. So if you have any other concerns about some of your other classes, you can try and remember those. And then we'll finish up. At the end, at 10 to the next time, you are welcome to leave, but I will stay on in case you have any other questions or concerns about school or about even just what's going on or about some of your other classes. I'm happy to help you with some of your other Google classes or try and figure out what your assignments are or anything like that. So I will linger at the end if you have any questions, or maybe you have a question that someone else in the class can answer. I know that some of you have probably done a bunch of these Google Meets already with some of your other classes, and some of you, this might be the first time. So don't worry if you're not sure how it's going to go. We'll just keep it fairly easy the first time. So I look forward to seeing you, and please just let me know in the comments if you are not free at your group's time. I also know that it's Ramadan, and I had sort of forgotten about that when I made the schedule, so if that affects your group's time, please let me know, and we will definitely be able to move that to a different time. I look forward to seeing everybody soon.